Hi, it's Susanna from Piggy Makes Bank, and today we're going to talk about why money loves speed. It is something Tracy reminds me of all the time, especially if we're coming out of a period where maybe we rested a little bit more, spent more time on family, spend more time on just, regular everyday to-day business tasks. And then we get to a point where we're ready to hustle, we're ready to hit that next milestone, make more sales, come up with something new, fun, and exciting for y'all, that kind of thing. And she always reminds me that there's a lot to be said for working fast, getting something out there. The faster you get really new products, new content, anything out there, the faster you'll see what works, what doesn't work, what resonates with your audience, what doesn't, all that good stuff. And of course, overall, it will help you grow your online business that much faster if you focus on speed. And PLR content is a great way to work fast. So let's run through a couple of examples, and I'm gonna glance down on my sheet to make sure I don't miss anything and don't forget to share any of these strategies with you. So the first one is sharing content on your website regularly. It doesn't matter if you have a blog or more of a static website. If you share content regularly, your audience will come back more and more often to consume it. But also, search engines love websites that are constantly updated and have new things and new stuff on there. And then last but not least, if you've been with us for a while, I like to kind of liken the whole SEO, search engine optimization thing, to a lottery. The more pages and posts and the more content you have out there, especially on property that you own, your own website, the bigger the chances are that you will tap into that search engine traffic. And over time, as your site grows and you have more and more content on there, hopefully that traffic will grow as well. And we love SEO traffic because it is free, it is evergreen, and once you really get the ball rolling, it is hard to stop it, which is a good thing. So PLR can really help you do that, help you get those articles and blog posts out there more regularly. And then it's also great as fodder for your emails, because as you're having these blog posts or articles on your site, you then have something new to email about. Or if you prefer, you can of course use PLR content directly in your emails and in your newsletters. So that makes it much easier to move up from a once a month, once a week type of newsletter to mailing out several times per week or even daily. And that gives you a chance to get in front of your audience more often, gets them a chance to engage and engage with you, and hopefully then consume your products and take you up on the products and services that you offer them. And of course, all this content is also great for social media. You can take snippets of PLR articles to share on your favorite social media sites. You can post entire articles on there. You can record video content based on PLR content, like we talked about in a previous video, all that good stuff. And the more you post on social media, the more those algorithms will love you. And the same, by the way, goes for YouTube, which at its core is yet another social media platform, plus so much more. And then of course, PLR content can also help you create products, membership content, and bonuses much more quickly, and even lead magnets. I know we talked about that in a previous video. So remember, money loves speed. So the more and more quickly you can get quality products out there, the faster you will grow. And PLR content will help you do that much more quickly. Once you have an entire back catalog of products, the lifetime value of each of your customers will go up, because they have the opportunity to buy not just one or two products from you, but they have the opportunity to buy 20, 30, 40. So that makes it a lot more efficient when you go out and search for your new ideal target audience, for new customers. and overall it will help you grow your business and your bottom line so much more faster. So here's my challenge for you today. What can you create within the next day or two from PLR? It could be some content for your website, it could be a new lead magnet, it could be a series of social media posts, or maybe you even want to get a head start on that next big product of yours. Come up with something, commit to it, give it a try, and see if working quickly doesn't help you reach your own financial goals that much faster. So remember, money loves speed, and I hope you give this a try and grow that beautiful business of yours. That's it from me. I'll be back with another video for you soon.